Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Aphasia object kit. That way you can kind of see what's inside. So it always comes with a checklist to make sure that everything that you are supposed to have, you do. It also comes with a laminated infographic about aphasia. That way you can explain to patients and their family what it is. And then of course it comes with the objects. So you have things like glasses, a straw, toothbrush, a sock, a spoon, glove, battery, candle, all sorts of common things. It also comes with 2 worksheets. You can make as many copies of these as you'd like. So the semantic feature analysis, you can do one on each object. And then the semantic mapping worksheet. And then finally it comes with your task cards. So you have the naming cards, and so, let's see what it says there. There we go. And so this is responsive naming, but also it can be confrontational if you're putting the items out in front of them. Then you have your question cards, and they're marked in the bottom corner here. So WH means that they're WH questions, and YN means that they're yes/no questions. And then finally you have directions. And these are broken down into 1 step, so pick up the crayon, and 2 step, flip the spoon and give the glasses to the clinician. So that's it.